When I was younger, I had hit my front teeth, and I'd had 2 different sets of crowns put on, and the last crown failed and I had to have bridge work done. It didn't look perfect, the color was off, and I just always knew something wasn't quite right. And then after about 3 years, I noticed my bottom teeth were wearing down, and I started asking what was happening, and the dentist I was going to at that time had not placed my bridge work, and he had told me that my bridge work had been placed improperly and that they were wearing down my bottom teeth. I had to start wearing a mouth guard, and I wasn't really happy with that. It was uncomfortable, and I was just very self-conscious of my teeth at that point. They were really wearing down. The porcelain was wearing down the front teeth. And he didn't really have the right suggestions for me to go ahead and redo them at that time. I think I still smiled, I just wasn't really proud of them, really putting my teeth out there. I've always been very nervous at the dentist. I've had a lot of work done on my teeth. I'm there for quite a long time, and my mouth is small, and I get a lot of jaw pain from having my mouth opened wide for a long period of time, and most of the dentists had me keep my mouth open for a long period of time, and by the time you waited for the freezing to happen, I was ready to leave, and so I ended up starting to take a muscle relaxant or something to make me relax while I was there, and the whole process was I just completely hated going to the dentist. I just knew I needed to meet someone that could help the whole situation. So then I met Dr. Clark. Dr. Clark just has a whole different approach to that. And my first time I went to him, I actually did take something, and I've never had to take something since. I knew at that point he didn't have my mouth wide open, he could work in a smaller space, and he worked so much faster, and the results were just, the day was so much better. Oh, I was thrilled from the very first day I went there, because he did this procedure called tensing on me, which helped him to see what was going on in my jaw. He explained what was all happening, and that some of this stuff wasn't in my head. Why is my jaw aching all the time? Or why can't I open my mouth wide? Or why am I grinding my teeth? I never thought I knew I wasn't nervous about things in general, so I was just like, why is all this happening? And he just finally, he answered all my questions. Everybody in my family thought they were beautiful. I liked them from the day I walked out of the office, which before I think I always had to get used to what they looked like. But I was very happy with them the very first day. I think my teeth are beautiful, and most people I will tell that I have had it done if they mention it or ask. Other than that, I'm just really happy with them, and I just smile. Yeah, and I'm proud of my teeth now, and I like it.